Fix in 5. Got a P0481. Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Engine temperature gauge rising, cooling fan not operating, engine overheating under load, fan runs continuously or intermittently, check engine light activation. Now the most likely causes. Faulty cooling fan motor. Defective cooling fan relay. Open or shorted fan control circuit. Engine coolant temperature sensor failure. Corroded or loose electrical connectors. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace the faulty cooling fan relay 2 if it fails the Ben. Repair or replace damaged wiring or connectors in the fan. Install a new fan 2 motor if the existing one is inoperati. Clean and properly resecure corroded connector terminals. Reprogram or replace the ECM if no hardware fault can be F. How to fix it. Replace faulty cooling fan motor. Replace defective cooling fan relay. Repair open or corroded wiring in fan control circuit. Replace engine coolant temperature sensor if faulty. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €120 doing it yourself, or €165, €240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask. Will P0481 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0481 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0481. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.